Welcome to the Braille house, our private skate park where I live my whole entire life. I never leave. Here's where I sleep. I sleep up here on top of the Braille drop. That's where I spend about 99% of my time, up there. I sleep, I skate, I make dinner, breakfast. There's like a whole kitchen, everything up there. It's great. I forgot my drink. Let me hold on 1 second. I gotta get my drink from my room. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I shower at our private skate park because I live here. Yeah, so that's my bedroom. This is the ladder to get to my bedroom. It's made out of aluminum, I think. I haven't really tested it. And yeah, let me show you around. We have the skate park right here. Skateboarding, obstacles. My bedroom, which is really nice. I don't know if you could see from here, but I have like a table, a surfboard, you know, everything you need in your bedroom. Like a box. Yeah, I usually just sleep there, or probably in the rafters or something. Over here we got more skate park. We have the bench, put together skateboards, drift trike. That's what I drive to work every day. My work is here, so I just drive that usually around here for like 5 minutes. It counts as oh yeah, showering. Oh, right. So here we have the shower, right? This is the I can't read. All right, so here is the tent for the shower. The good thing about this is it also doubles as like a trendy backpack. You can't hold anything in it, but it does look fire. And here's the shower. So you fill it up with water. If you want to take a shower, you screw this off, dump it on yourself, or if you're thirsty, you can drink some water. This right here is for your ID, just in case, you know, the police catch you taking a shower outside and they need some form of identification. So you guys are here on a good day. I'm actually out of water, shampoo, body wash. I'm literally out of everything. So we're gonna go to Target right now and stock up, and you guys are gonna come with me. You think having neighbors that have a dog that barks is bad? Try having Carlos that skates at 4 in the morning. I don't know why he comes here at 4 in the morning all the time. All right, here we go. We are going to Target to get supplies. Believe it or not, this is the inside of the trike. It's like some kind of SpongeBob thing, but when you get on the trike, this is it. Like, we're driving it right now. I mean, you're like, wow, this is really nice, but on the outside it looks like a trike. It's like a cloaking device. Keeps it more low key. You know, people will pull over a car, but they're not gonna pull over a trike. It seems confusing, but don't ask questions you don't want the answer to. I have the water shower. I have the shower in the back of my car. Sometimes I take a shower in my car, but we're gonna go fill it up at Target because we don't have any water and we don't have any shampoo. So yeah, now we're going to get supplies. So living in a private skate park, you know, people probably think it's not that great, which is true, but it's mainly because it's haunted, not because it's not nice. It's great. You can skate anytime you want, but the demons really, they're a hassle. It's like, you know, some people get rats. You have rats in your house, you put rat traps out. We have demons. We skated a Ouija board one time. Ever since then, the place has been crawling with them. You can't really catch them. You know, like all that Ghostbuster stuff is it's not realistic. You can't catch them. You can't grab them. You can't trap them. They're just there. Believe it or not, in the middle of the night, I'll be trying to sleep. Demons, if there's one thing you gotta learn about demons, they love karaoke. They love it. In the middle of the night, I'm like trying to sleep. I'm getting a good night rest once in a while, you know, on my good days, nights. Next thing I know, I just hear little girls singing. Scary movies, that's one thing. Oh, that's scary. Little girl singing, that creeps me out. In real life, it's not scary, it is a nuisance. I yell at it all the time, but they don't listen to you. I'm like, demon, shut up, I'm trying to sleep. Go, they don't listen. All right, we'll see you guys inside Target. All right, well, I'm gonna try to find like a 6-in-1 shampoo. 2-in-1, I need 3-in-1, higher numbers. Is that the highest it goes? Usually I get the 6-in-1 shampoo, but I don't know if they have it. Oh, yo, hold that. Yeah, that'll get you. Never mind. 3-in-1, there we go. The watermelon flavor. It's the best tasting one. Dermatologists tested. They tested it on dermatologists. We need to fill it up. Let's go this way. Believe it or not, I have a nacho fountain on the top of the Braille drop right next to my bedroom. So pretty much all I eat is nachos. Keeps me big and strong. So their water refiller is out of service. So we have to do it the old fashioned way. 100% mountain spring water. Is this the loofah aisle? 2 in 1. Thought it was just good grade. Whatever. Alright, are we good? This is all I normally get to take a shower. We're set. It's almost shower time. I just gotta load up my trike with this stuff. Alright. Lots of space in here. Ooh. So the thing about living in an indoor skate park is you can't actually shower inside because it will soak the skate park and it will get soggy. So you have to shower outside. Oh, it's working. Oh! Oh no! I'm used to it. This happens every day. Okay, we're filling it up. Trick is, you gotta really get the water pressure high. It's like whatever you put in, that's what you get out. If you want high water pressure, you gotta really. Is that good? More? I think I got an idea. Come this way. This is a tested method. This is what normally works. Showering in 2020, brother. We're in next year already. This is how they shower in the future. What? I think we have a leak. No, we don't have a leak. Nope. I'm just bad at pouring. It's harder than you think. Yeah, this is what I have to go through every day. Everyone's scrutinizing my choices. You know what? You talking a lot. 3 in 1.
I know, I'm impressed.
You only have to take 1 shower instead of 3. Oh Jesus! Oh my God! What? Some privacy, please.
I can't laugh. That's why I haven't been out here.
Oh! No! Did you really break it? Where? Oh, it's okay. It's all right. We just hold it upside down. It might not have as much water pressure though. Actually, no. I'm gonna flip it upside down with the hole. It's gonna come out the hole. Okay. Okay.
Quick, get in the.
Hold up. Oh no, my watch. All right, so now it's time to take a shower. Let's. I gotta take my shirt off, of course, because that's what you gotta do for showers. All right, zip yourself up. This is what I do all the time. I do this literally every day. All right, I'm over here. All right, thank you. I have to hold the shower because, you know, sometimes this happens where it breaks, so I have to hold it. All right, I think it's working. All right, I think it's working pretty good. Gabe, check the water pressure. Like, lift that up. Check out how good it's working. Whoa, we got an actual shower in there. Surprisingly works very well. No, give me the loofah though. Thank you. I don't know why this is. Yeah, this is what I do every day. Usually I just do it all by myself, but yeah, it was windy today, so I had to have some other people. So refreshing. The water pressure on this thing's crazy. It works so well. Shouts out to that company. It's like, it's broken, it's still like a waterfall in here. So refreshing. Yeah, so that's pretty much how I take a shower every day. I'm really glad I got this loofah. I really needed it. So yeah, that's how basically, if you live in a private skate park, it's really easy to take a shower. You just need a private tent, a water bottle, and a loofah, and you're good. Good as new. I'm ready to go skate. It's usually not this out of control. There's a slight breeze, so it got out of hand. Okay, warning, anyone trying to take a shower at their private skate park, don't do it if there's 1 mile per hour wind. Just don't do it. You have to save it when there's not wind. Oh, I feel so refreshed. I'm ready to skate. If you guys have any questions on how to shower at a private skate park, I'm a professional, so leave it in the comments below and I'll try to help you out. Click the videos to the left, subscribe, like, leave a comment below. and we'll see you next time.